Right, so a few weeks ago, I made a GeForce NOW installer for my games launcher thing, and they announced this but that was based off the Steam Deck one. So at CES, NVIDIA announced a native GeForce NOW launcher for Linux, which came out last week, and it's basically, I think it's focused more for Debian and that kind of thing. So anyway, so I wrote a script, and there's a link to this is in the description, not just for members, this is one's for everybody. It's really simple. And basically what the script will do is we'll install it on your system for you, and then allow you to just launch GeForce NOW from the app menu on Omarchy. So it's super simple. I did try and, you'll see there's a few issues because the scaling's all over the shop, but you can't scale the window because if you do the game scale as well. Anyway, so what we'll do quickly, we'll just install the script, I'll launch it, show it to you, and then, have a ball. So with that said, let's dive in. Okay, so I think this desktop is called Arc Blueberry. It's nice. Anyway, all right, so let's just get this done. So terminal, Super Shift F, downloads, and I've got an uninstaller and an installer, so let's just chmod +X, install GeForce Native, and then do that. Now it's based off Flatpak fundamentally. It's like the other one I did. So there's a Flatpak repository for it, and it'll pull it down. Now there's an installer you can get off the NVIDIA site, but you'll have to, it's like an epic to get that going. You can get it going, but you have to put Flatpak on it and it's all sorts, because it can't run in Wayland. It has to be an X11 backend. So we have to do it like this. So password, make sure I've got everything on there and install it. And it goes. So pulling down all the bits it needs, Flatpak, all this sort of rubbish, just to make sure it works. And it's done. So let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. So now in your app menu, you should have NVIDIA GeForce NOW. So if you hit that, he says, here we go, you'll have to log in. So agree and continue, get in, and then it launches a browser. Now I should already be in, continue. Yes, so I should be in, so I can just get rid of that. But you'll have to go through a login process. It should let me in, and then we're in. Now you'll see straight away, it's at 4K. Mine displays 4K, but I've got scaling on it. I tried to get this to work so that it would make it scale to your thing, but it doesn't work because it carries on through to the game. So now you're in, you can go in, and if we don't have this before, you can go in and you can connect up settings, connections, connect up all your games and all that sort of business, games, and then you basically launch. Now unfortunately I've got the free one, so you're just going to have to sit through some atrocious adverts. Yeah, so obviously RTX is locked off, but I mean, it's like before, if you're desperate to play Battlefield 6, you could do it. So looking for the next rig, and we're going to have some atrocious advertising. I have a feeling. Oh, here we go. What we got? So a man with a thing that thumps his leg. What is that? What is that? It's like a power tool. Woman with a belt thing, all in slow motion. What is that? That looks useful, doesn't it? Makes you want to buy it. Okay. Shop Black Friday, Hyperrice. That should be a Reddit subreddit for Linux, shouldn't it? Hyperrice. Okay, now what have we got now? Delivery company. Do you know the advertising guys would have spent ages picking the exact people you're about to see to fit in, so that you're getting the right vibe? So the dog, very popular dog, yeah, and everybody in this has been selected to give you the right feeling that you can associate with the brand. But advertising is marvelous, isn't it? Like, if you remember, everything you're watching has been completely constructed to apply to you, you know, or to a broad public. So here we go. Something about, this is about money. Yeah. Happy family. And the dog again, look, that's the same dog. The same type. They're very popular in advertising. Those dogs, whatever they are, there it is. Exactly the same kind of cute dog. Obviously, someone's done some research. These are the dogs that people are. These are the dogs that people are looking for most on Instagram or whatever. Let's use the dog in the advert. Brilliant. So, I mean, as long as you understand, obviously, you've worked in advertising for years, that everything you're watching has been constructed to make you feel at one with that product, then, and you buy it, then it's done its job. Oh, how many more rigs have I got? Oh my God, there's 36 gamers ahead of you. Might go another cycle of adverts. Sorry about this, but I'm not signing up for it. Some of you probably got this. There we go. I've got Dredge. It's really basic. I mean, we're not going to be worried about latency and stuff like that, but I just show you it working. Here we go. Oh, this has been going on so long, the screensaver came in. But yeah, I mean, it's super simple. If you've got GeForce Now, and you, as I said in the other video, which I'll put a link to above, but that's really for my GameScope launcher. So this is, which is inside the GameScope launcher, this is just native. So, but the thing, you know, obviously, if you want to play Battlefield 6 or you want to play games that you can't play, I mean, I'm going to put Omarchy on my Mac 5.1 at some point in the future, and that doesn't have a certain set of AVX instructions, so it can't play Doom. But you could play Doom through this if you wanted to. I mean, there's always a way to get to something, but with this, obviously, there's a fee, which isn't great. So you're going to do it? Going to do it? My internet going to give out? Obviously, when you're paid, you get RTX capability. Here we go. Is it going to go, or is it just binned out on me? Should get that. Checking for updates. It's rescaled itself. Oh, what's it doing? Because it's sort of launching a virtual version of your Steam account, isn't it? Or Ubisoft account. Now I should be allowed up to HD on this. Here we are. So I should be allowed to have 1920 by 1080. Here it is. Yeah, it's not like a looter shooter, is it? I just noticed on this just now. I was going to show you Arc Raiders. I've been playing that a lot. I love that game. I can't show you Arc Raiders. F to begin. I can't show it to you because on the free account it's limited. You're not allowed to play Arc Raiders on the free version. Let's just do new game. Oh no, I think it's lost my saves. New game. I don't really want a new game. Oh no, here we go. Can I just skip it? Skip it all. I've done this before actually, because I keep logging into my Steam account with different machines. Sometimes it obliterates my. It's an escape here. Oh no, hang on, bear with me, sorry about this. Let's click through, I just want to, right, okay, let's get out of here. There we go, and the sun's coming up. So I mean, for something like a potato game like this, beautiful graphics, works really well. That's that. So there you go, there's game working. And let's have a look at the display mode. Yeah, 1080. Anti-aliasing on, shadow, reasonable qualities, reflections. Quit and confirm and quit, and that should exit me back to that desktop. There you go. Okay, is there anything else we could do? New GFN. Can I play that on there? Can we do Doom Eternal? Let's try Doom the Dark Ages, upgrade to play. What else we've got that doesn't need an upgrade to play? Far Cry 6. No, I don't know what happened now. It might have to launch some gigantic. What else we got on here that's pretty quick? 5080 ready? Free to play. Counter-Strike. Battlefield 6. Premium members. Yeah, so they've like built in all this stuff, haven't they? Xbox Game Pass. Let's just try that. Will that work? Space Marine. Yeah, so I'm going to be back in a queue. We're probably going to see the same adverts again. I think you get the idea. I can't sit through this again. It's garbage. So anyway, to get out of it, it's just a Super W. Quick game, yeah. And you're out. And then to go back in again, GE, NVIDIA GeForce NOW. And then there you go. So that's it. So just come out of that. So there you go. That's let me just come back to me. So that's it. So that's native GeForce NOW. Really easy installer. If you want to play games on that, you can. So I'll put the links to the script, those two scripts, in the description. They'll be wherever, Dropbox, wherever. Put them down, have a ball, and don't have a go at me about I'm not paying for another subscription service. It's there if you want to play with it. If you don't want to play with it, don't play with it. Anyway, as ever, thanks for watching.